Good morning. This is the Option Pit AM Volatility Report. I'm Mark Sebastian, founder of OptionPit.com. Reminder, this is for educational purposes only. None of this should be considered financial advice. Consult your financial professional. Options can carry some risk. Well, here we are, another day, another down day. We looked a lot worse earlier, but some bad news out of China. 2 days in a row where market's off and vol's up a little bit. You got some good reasons for vol to rally. It got completely oversold on Friday. They absolutely torched volatility premium. And, they have since run it right back up, back to that 17, 18 range, probably about where it belongs. It may creep toward 20 into that Fed decision day, which should be kind of interesting. I think it's probably also related to just the fact that the market's moving around. I mean, we've now had, this is our 5th day in a row where we've moved at least 3/4 of a point. We're heading toward 4 out of 5 days moving 1%. VIX belongs above 16 if we're moving around that much. And that's just something that to be aware of. We're also seeing some serious strength in these futures. These are about a week from expiring. So they're starting to really track VIX. Then you've got January and January behind it. You can see VIX Mo, which is what VIX actually expires into, is actually trading at a premium to the December future. So just something to be aware of. There's some upside pressure on that. Oil continues to just be incredibly weak, and it's off a little bit more today, but has taken a pretty precipitous drop. Now, do I think it's probably near a bottom? Yes. Do I think premium is probably a sale? Yes. But that doesn't mean that it couldn't push it lower. All right, it absolutely could. Finally, I continue to watch currency and just be flummoxed by how low volatility is. You've got currencies moving around. It's not like they're not going anywhere. All right. And, obviously they're not making the same move they did the other day. But there is some pretty strong movement in these names that basically says, okay, long-term, medium-term, short-term, all these vols are too cheap. And, I don't really like that. Finally starting to see some juice get put back into some of the Apples of the world, and some of the names like that. Kind of shocked the airlines are off today after just skyrocketing and being assisted by all this fuel stuff. Boy, Delta right up to $51. It was just here the other day. Anytime they want to dump premium in these airlines, they're at purchase right now because they're so related to oil. So I can buy oil at a 50 vol, or when they come in and dump Delta premium, I can get all of that oil exposure, plus get some additional kind of weird company risk with names like Delta and American that, it becomes too cheap not to want to own when it's, in the mid 20s. So I would take my approach to trading things that way, and how the day is gonna unfold. I think you'll see markets remain somewhat weak. Volatility will back off. 17.6 might be a little overblown right now. Volatility will back off, but we're probably going to be down for the rest of the day. I don't see a huge turnaround coming. And then finally, oil may stabilize today sometime. That's kind of the way I'm seeing it. All right, folks. You got questions, you can email me, mark@optionpit.com. You can call me 888-TRADE-01. Don't forget, you can check out our new store and see all the past classes that we've done, and get a shot at those for a great price. All right, folks, have a great day, and I will talk to you soon.